Hey, Crunchified Clean friends! On this video, I'd like to give some tips on how to clean a window and a window screen. So for this scenario, I was cleaning my client's beautiful vacation home, and in the Pocono Mountains, we get a lot of trees, we have a lot of pollen and bugs, and especially if the home hasn't been used in a while, those little bugs will die in the windowsills. Pollen, cobwebs, you name it, it'll grow around the window. So it's good to periodically take your window screen off and give it a good cleaning if the window screen is able to come off. Now, I have seen videos where people clean window screens in their bathtubs. I don't like to do that at a client's house. That kind of skeeves me out. So I like to manually give it a good hand clean on the window screen. Take the window screen off. I first clean the window. Then I go around all four corners of the frame and give the good window sill a good cleaning. And then I tackle the window screen and I get that all cleaned and I put it back on so my client has nice, beautiful, crunchified, clean windows.